Introducing the JV.C JV100 stainless steel bracket. It's the epitome of common sense construction. Its design and features make it a straightforward and intuitive solution for securing balustrade loaded boundary joists. It's nothing fancy, just a lot faster. Position the JV100 JV.C bracket appropriately onto one side of each boundary joist, ensuring it is flush and aligned, then simply tap the tooth side with a hammer. You are then hands-free to screw it off using appropriate screws, making sure to tighten them securely. Place once, screw once. The JV100 is designed to withstand downward and rotational forces, providing a stronger overall balustrade. Repeat the same process for the triple boundary joists, positioning the bracket and securing it with screws. Once installed, the JV100 JV.C bracket provides a strong and reliable connection for the project, better for builder and building. Remember to follow proper installation guidelines and ensure that the bracket is securely attached to the boundary joists for optimal performance. By using the JV100 JV.C bracket, you can confidently create balustrade fixings built for the job. At JV.C, we understand the need for a solution that is both efficient and effective. The system is heavy duty, light effort. JV.C, built on common sense. Contact us today for more info.